Today is Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey, we're going to show you how to install an Aquascape 2500 Biofalls. Here's the Biofalls. Here's all the components that go with it. The faceplate. There's a rack on top. There's a rack that goes on the bottom. And your filter pads. And the tools we'll need today to install this is channel locks and a Phillips head screwdriver, silicone, a 2-foot level. First thing we're going to start with is installing our bulk fittings. Now there's 2 bulk fittings for these. So on the bulk fittings, these are reverse threads. It comes with 2 gaskets. One is a rubber gasket, one is a plastic gasket. The rubber gasket is always going to go on the inside. Rubber gasket on the inside, plastic on the outside. And like I said before, this is a reverse thread. So we'll get it on there, get it snug, and we'll give that a half turn. Okay, so we've installed both of our bulk fittings. Now we're going to install our male adapter for our plumbing. On this particular application, we are going to be using the left side. So we've silicone on the threads of the 2-inch male adapter. Get it threaded in as far as we can by hand, and then we will tighten it with the channel locks. On the other side, we're not going to be using it. If you were to be using this, you could install another male adapter and bring plumbing in the other side. On this application, we don't need it. So we're going to plug the other side with a 2-inch plug. So we'll put silicone on the gaskets and tighten the plug up. So we've placed our Biofalls where we want to install it in our stream. So what we're going to do is just paint out where we want to put it. And then we will remove it and we'll dig it in to whatever height we'd like. Alright, so we dug out for our Biofalls. We've got it all leveled, side to side, and front to back. So we're going to go ahead and backfill it. How I like to do it is to get inside of it so it doesn't move as I'm backfilling. And then backfill the sides and pack it in as we go.
So we're at the back of the Biofalls right now, and Kyle just glued the PVC flex pipe to the back of the Biofalls. Right now what he's doing, he's just holding it steady, making sure that glue locks it in.
So next thing we want to do is attach our faceplate. So we'll make sure the face of the Biofalls is clean. Silicone right through all the screw holes. Don't be afraid to use a lot. It cannot hurt. Once that's done, we're going to lay our liner up. Try to leave a little slack where you're going to use it. Our first screw hole on the top. Punch the awl through and then get the screw started. Do not want to tighten it up all the way, leave it loose. And go to the opposite side on the top. We'll punch the awl through as well. And get that screw started. Do not tighten it. Then we will go to the bottom. Punch that through. Get that screw started. And just work your way around. Okay, so we've got all the screws started. So what we're going to do is go through and tighten them. I like to start in the middle, on the bottom, tighten it and work my way out towards the edges. So once we've got them all tightened, we'll cut the liner out of the wear. With our knives, then we can put our racks in and our filter. Bottom rack that the filters sit on first. Then the two filters. And then the rack that sits on top. This could be filled with cobbles, plants, gravel, whatever you'd like.
So that's a wrap on this project in Rotterdam, New York. This is an 11 by 16 pond that's 3 feet deep with a waterfall and biological filter with a skimmer. The guys ran through the whole process with you. If you like this sort of thing, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, whatever you got to do to get notified, because we got more to come. Thank you for watching. We'll see you all soon.